In this video, I'm going to show you real quick what the hold button does on a 2021 Toyota Highlander. This is also the same on many other Toyota vehicles, but there's a little button right in the middle that says hold right next to the parking brake. I get a lot of questions as to what that button does, and essentially what it does is typically when you have the vehicle engaged, you'll hear and you let off the gas, it will start to roll or move forward. What this does is it holds the brake on just enough that if I press the brake down here and I press this little hold button here up on the dash, now you'll see that hold is on. And if I put it in gear and I let off the brake, it doesn't go until I hit the gas pedal. So like if you pulled up to a stoplight or a stop sign, you would be sitting there after you completely stopped. Until you hit the gas pedal, it would just sit there without going. So to turn that function back off again, just press the brake, push that hold button, and then you'll notice that the indicator on the dash that the hold was on has now been turned back off. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.